Casement Windows Warren, Michigan, is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our expert team specializes in custom casement windows, ensuring a perfect fit for any architectural style. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, we provide solutions that reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Window replacement services in Warren, Michigan are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our comprehensive window replacement Warren, Michigan offerings include vinyl casement windows and double-glazed windows, designed to enhance energy efficiency and curb appeal. Trust our window repair experts to deliver exceptional results. Energy-efficient windows Warren are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint and save on utility bills. Our window insulation solutions and window sealing services ensure maximum efficiency, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Explore our window upgrade services for the latest in energy-saving technology. Custom Casement Windows Warren, Michigan offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home. With a wide range of window style options and window customization Warren, Michigan services, you can create a look that reflects your taste and complements your home's design. Our window design consultation team is here to guide you through the process. Window repair Warren, Michigan is crucial for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our window frame repair Warren and window hardware replacement services address common issues, ensuring your windows function smoothly. Regular window maintenance Warren, Michigan can prevent costly repairs down the line. Vinyl windows Warren, Michigan are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our window durability solutions and window weatherproofing Warren, Michigan services ensure your windows withstand the elements. Choose vinyl casement windows for a long-lasting, attractive option. Double-glazed windows Warren provide superior insulation and noise reduction, making them ideal for busy neighborhoods. Our window noise reduction Warren services enhance your home's tranquility, while our window security features offer peace of mind. Upgrade to double-glazed windows for enhanced comfort and safety. Casement Windows Warren, Michigan is vital for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Our window sealing services ensure a tight seal, reducing energy loss and enhancing comfort. Pair with our window insulation Warren, Michigan solutions for optimal performance. Window maintenance Warren, Michigan is key to preserving the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our window cleaning services and window glass replacement Warren keep your windows looking their best. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your windows and prevent costly replacements. Window design Warren, Michigan offers endless possibilities for enhancing your home's curb appeal. Our window style Warren, Michigan options range from traditional to contemporary, allowing you to find the perfect match for your home. Trust our window design consultation team to bring your vision to life. Window fitting Warren, Michigan ensures a precise installation, maximizing the performance and lifespan of your windows. Our window fitting services are tailored to your specific needs, ensuring a seamless process from start to finish. Rely on our expertise for flawless results.